I am Ishu Aggarwal from BHMS Business and Hotel Management School. I am the Sales and Marketing Manager, North India. So, as a Sales and Marketing Manager, I am representative the BHMS on the behalf of the college. I came here for first schedule just to do a collaboration with them, with Mr. Tarana. As I talked to him, he's a nice person, so he wants to do a collaboration or to do some business with us. So for first time he is doing Europe, and he just asked some counseling or the training session. So I am here to just provide that training and to just provide the counseling to their counselors. So as in BHMS, as I told you, Business and Hotel Management School, we provide hospitality, hotel management, culinary arts programs to the students, in which student can apply with us and they can just go for the 6 months of studies followed by the 6 months of paid internship, which is guaranteed and assured. And also we are providing 6 months of completing the internship, the placements to the students, which is worldwide globally recognized with us. Also we are providing the Swiss degree plus UK degree to the students who have completed the graduations with us. So thank you to applying for BHMS, and we are looking forward to just get the opportunities or get the business from first edu, and to just thank Mr. Tarana who has invited me to just give this counseling session and to just give the training to their counselors. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.